So today we're going to enjoy going down the hill and seeing if there's any updates on the construction site. Hello, say Brandon, hello. Are we ready to go? Okay, let's go. We're going to go and check out. We're going down the path here, and he's going to lead the way. But I'll just monitor, make sure everything's okay. Oh wow, buddy, you're going fast. Excavator? Okay, so it means excavator, I think. We're going to see the excavator. Oh, and it's going to see the skid steer too. So we're going to see the excavator and the skid steer. And excavator. Okay, excavator. Okay. Whoa, tough, eh, buddy? Okay. Maybe a little push. There we go. Is that better? Is that better? Okay. Oh, bulldozer? Okay, bulldozer too, eh? Okay. All right. We're going now. Okay. The Explorer, eh? Oh, what are we doing? Walk? Walk? Okay, let's walk. Okay, let me hold on to this thing. And we'll explore. Okay. And say hello? Okay. So we'll do a guided tour. We'll go here. It's a bit rocky here. Brandon, is it rocky? Rocky, eh? Okay. So we'll just walk. Look at the nice leaves. Hey, look at this. Look at the nice leaves. Huh? Red? What color? Orange? Okay, what other color? Red and blue? Okay, maybe the sky is blue. Okay. What about the grass? Right here? Flower. And what about the color of the grass here? What color? Green. Green. Okay. So we saw orange, red, green. Where's yellow? Yellow here? Okay, yellow here. Oh, right there. Okay. Oh, there too? Nice fall colors. Oh, wow. The sky? Oh, look. There's a nest. Look, a bird's nest. See the bird's nest?
Oh, yeah.
There's a bird's nest right there.
Okay.
Oh, cool, eh? Cool. What is that?
Flower.
A flower or a leaf? A leaf. Leaf, okay. Okay.
Leaf.
Where? Let's see. Oh, cool. What color?
Green.
Green, okay. All right.
What color this?
What color?
Yellow.
Yellow, okay. Okay, that's ready to go? You all right? Ready to ride? Right, okay, get on. Get on. Get ready to ride. Okay, bye. Daddy's right here. Okay, ready? Okay, wait. Okay, here we go. Where are we going? Wait, let's take a look. Oh my gosh, looks like downhill. Is that a big downhill? Okay, ready? Okay, say, go ahead. Ready, buddy?
Okay.
Ready? Okay, ready, let's go. All right, let's go. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, oh my gosh. 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 Okay. Too fast? Slow down. Oh. Okay. Okay. Ready to go? Okay. You gonna watch? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Faster? Okay. Okay. Head dive, take a little breather. Okay. Walk? Okay, let's walk. Where? 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 You wanna go see? Okay. Where? Roller? Okay. Let's see the roller. You hear the sound? What's the sound? What's that sound? Excavator?
Okay.
Excavator? Or a grader? A grader? Or a tractor? Tractor? Okay. Tractor it is. Ah, puppy. Say hello, puppy. Oh, roller, excavator? Excavator, okay. Oh, let's go down. Okay. Oh, look at that, eh? Oh, look at the what? What's that? Whoa, I think it's an asphalt machine and a truck, eh? Oh, look over there. Oh my gosh, what's that? Rollers? Okay. Excavator? Okay, excavator, eh? Okay. Okay. This is cool, just like Blippi, eh, buddy? Just like Blippi? Haka? Just like Blippi, Brandon? Oh, yeah? Okay. What's this? Okay. Excavator? Okay, oh, I think we should walk over here, eh? Over here. Over here, yeah. Let's walk over here. Just be on the safe side, okay? Oh, okay. Up here? No, down here, down here. Down here, okay. Down here. Let's go down here. Where? Oh. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Okay. Let's enjoy this trek. Nice little mini hike. A hike? Wait, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's getting really close, eh? Okay, on the bike? No, 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 no. We gotta walk over. Let's walk. Brandon, Brandon, let's walk up there, okay? Okay. I'll walk with you, buddy. We'll be brave together, okay? Okay. Skid steer overhead, eh? Okay. We can conquer our fears, okay, buddy? Okay. Daddy's with you, so nothing to worry about. Oh, wow. Mini jog, eh? Well, wow. Okay, let's go up. Let's go up. Okay. Let's go up. What? Where? Oh. Is there a plane up there? Okay. Well, I don't know if we can catch that. Okay, you're already going ahead, eh? Okay. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, really? Well, let's see. Let's see what's over there. You want to look at some more? Huh? You want to look at some more? Look, look, come here. Let me show you what they're doing. They're paving. They're paving with the roller. With asphalt. Yeah, look. Look. Look, stand right here. You can see really good right here. Look, stand right here. You can see really well right there. Right here. Yeah. Whoa.
Okay.
See the new stuff?
Huh?
It's going to be a new parking lot. Ah, look at that. See the truck?
Oh.
Oh, cool, eh? Really? Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna follow up. Okay, let's go. Okay. Whew. Is this cool? What's this? What's this?
Flower.
Flower? What's the color? Yellow? Okay. Cool, hey? We can see all lots of green, eh?
Green flower.
Is it green grass?
Oh,
Grass,
what?
grass, yeah. Tough, buddy. Okay. Ah, okay. Oh, let's go this way. Let's go down this way. Wait.
Oh, what?
What happened?
What?
Where? Let's go look. You wanna go look? You gonna go look?
Okay.
Okay, let's go look. Where? Oh, look at that. Wait. Stay here. Whoa, look at that. They're closing down. Dude.
Beep, beep, beep.
Wow. There's a mosquito on me. Even better. Now, mosquitoes just passed away. Bye-bye, mosquito. Okay. Oh, look. They're right behind. Look. Right behind the truck. See? Wait, don't walk over there. See that? Oh, now it's moving. Is it cool? Buddy, Brandon, is it cool?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go when I get here.
Where?
Let's get here.
Skis here? Okay. I think we'll... Okay, let's go down. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Down. Where'd he go? There we go. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's go look. Okay? Okay, say goodbye. Bye-bye to the camera. Bye. No, this way. I'm over here. Say bye. Bye. Okay.